I think we're about 100 or so videos in, maybe more. I have no intention of quitting it, but it's because I had the right intention. I knew I wasn't going to monetize my channel in 6 months or less. You know what? I wasn't planning on making money with it. The way that I looked at it was different. And I said, well, I'm going to make these videos as a way that people can't afford to work with me, right? I'm going to train them on the YouTube channel. But then what I started doing is I started using it as a way through my immediate let's make money strategy. So in LinkedIn, for example, I was doing DMs, stuff like that to get clients now because we need money now when we first started. And basically if they said, hey, you know, I'm not really interested right now or I have this going on, I'm like, no problem. Also, you said you have this pain point. I created a video about it. Here, go check it out. Because now I can capture in the long run, right? Especially if you subscribe to the channel, eventually you're going to convert was my thought. And so the happy accident that I'm planning on happening in the year, I don't know when it'll happen, right? A year from now, 2 years from now, eventually the channel will grow and we'll have leads coming in. But for the meantime, because of, you know, not to put blame on platforms, but Instagram, TikTok, etc., we want that instant gratification. I post video, 45,000 people see it, you know, versus YouTube. It's like when you first start, you're gonna get 2 people to see it, and then you're like, fuck, what am I doing this for? I'm curious though, like, how are you using YouTube? What's your game plan and what have you been doing? So with that being said, as always, we have trainings right up here. Go and check those out. As always, stay motivated and stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one.